Chitchat English.
I should not have gone.
You regret going. You think it was a mistake.
They should have asked us.
It would have been better if they had asked us.
He should have learned English.
It would have been beneficial if he had learned English.
We should not have hurried.
We regret hurrying. It was not a good decision.
You should have told me.
It would have been helpful if you had informed me.
I could have gone to watch a movie.
Regret about missing the opportunity.
He could have studied better.
Reflection on past actions or choices.
They could have come.
Possibility that someone didn't arrive.
I could not have done it without you.
Acknowledgement of someone's essential help.
We could have taken strict actions.
Consideration of missed opportunities or alternatives.
I would have left from there.
This means you were considering leaving from that place, but something might have prevented you or changed your plans.
She would have sung better.
This suggests that there was an expectation or hope that she could have performed better when singing.
He would have given us money.
This implies that there was an expectation or a hope that he could have provided money to us in a particular situation.
We would have been to the USA.
This indicates a hypothetical situation where it's imagined that you could have traveled to the USA at some point in the past.
They would have won the game.
This expresses a belief or regret that a team or group could have achieved victory in a game, but something might have prevented it. These sentences used would have to talk about things that could have happened or been possible in the past, but for some reason did not happen or were not possible.
Could you give me a discount?
Sure, let me see what I can do for you.
Could I have some more tea?
Of course, I'll bring it right over.
Could you drive more slowly?
Sure, I'll slow down.
Could I make a reservation?
Certainly, for how many people and when?
Could you tell me the way?
Sure, it's just down the street and to the left.
Could I park my car here?
Yes, this spot is available.
Could I use your pencil?
Sure, here you go.
Could I borrow a pencil?
Certainly, here's one you can use.
Could I have the check?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
He could speak French.
That's impressive. How fluent is he?
Could you repeat that?
Sure, I'll say it again.
Could I use your desk?
Of course, feel free to use it.
Could I change rooms?
Certainly, let me arrange that for you.
Could I help you?
Yes, could you pass me the books over there, please?
Did you miss me?
Yes, I missed you a lot.
Did you live here?
No, I've never lived here.
Did you invite him?
Yes, I invited him to the party.
Did you take a bath?
Yes, I took a bath earlier.
Did he speak at all?
No, he didn't speak at all.
Did he go to see Mary?
Yes, he went to see Mary yesterday.
Did he propose to you?
Yes, he proposed to me last week.
Did you get your wish?
Yes, I finally got my wish.
Did you say something?
No, I didn't say anything.
Did you finish the job?
Yes, I finished the job yesterday.
I have a sister.
That's nice. How is she doing?
My father will come with us today.
That sounds great. Is he excited?
He likes to paint by himself.
That's a relaxing hobby. What does he like to paint?
I take the trash out.
That's responsible of you.
I love you.
I love you too.
I bought a new computer.
Nice. What are you planning to do with it?
She likes to paint by herself.
Painting can be very therapeutic.
I want to see you and I will.
Looking forward to it.
I'm going fishing tomorrow morning.
Sounds like fun. Where are you going?
This is my dog.
What's their name?
I've got everything under control.
That's good to hear.
She took her wallet with her and went out.
Hope she has a good day.
I will help you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I hear nothing.
That's strange. Is everything okay?
The bag on the table is his.
Got it. Whose bag is this?
I would like to help you.
Thank you for offering.
She got a good grade in the Spanish exam.
That's fantastic news.
You will come with me.
Sure, where are we going?
They killed him.
That's terrible. What happened?
The girl whose eyes are blue will come tomorrow.
Interesting. How do you know her?
These are for you.
Thank you. What's inside?
We have changed the situation in a positive way.
That's great progress.
He would do anything.
He sounds dedicated.
She always goes to work early and starts working.
She's very diligent.
The day ended on a really positive note.
That's wonderful to hear.
I really need someone.
I'm here for you.
Your car is more expensive than ours.
It must be nice.
We went fishing after school.
Did you catch anything?
This is mine.
Got it. Thanks for clarifying.
You should definitely clean this room yourself.
Will do.
Everything was ready for the party.
I hope it went well.
They speak English in the USA.
That's common there.
They are the smartest kids here.
They must be very talented.
He is fond of swimming.
That's great. Does he swim often?
How about a cup of tea?
Sounds lovely. Would you like sugar with it?
I am near the station.
Good to know. Are you waiting for someone?
Don't drink and drive.
Absolutely, it's important to stay safe.
I paid him the money.
That's good to hear. Was it for something specific?
What is the problem?
Let's figure it out together.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm all set. Are we leaving soon?
We must go to school.
Time to head to class.
The car is very fast.
Impressive. What model is it?
Where is the station?
It should be nearby. Have you checked the map?
Nobody speaks to me.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is everything all right?
Let's go to a movie.
Sounds like a plan. Which movie are we watching?
I told him to come.
Did he say when he'll arrive?
I know what to do.
That's great. Are you starting right away?
I want to sleep.
You must be tired. Rest well.
I'm able to swim.
That's a useful skill to have.
Beware of the dog.
Will do. Is it friendly?
Give it to her.
Sure, I'll pass it on.
You may take the book.
Thank you. I've been wanting to read this.
The train has arrived.
Perfect timing. Let's board quickly.
Tom and I are friends.
That's nice. How did you two meet?
Please close the door.
Sure thing. Is it too noisy outside?
May I sit next to you?
Of course, please do.
He got a lot of money.
That's fortunate. How did he manage that?
Let's get off the bus.
All right, this is our stop.
He can read and write.
That's impressive. Can he speak any other languages?
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places. How about you?
How deep is the lake?
It's quite deep. Have you ever gone swimming there?
I have to go now.
Alright, take care. Talk to you later.
May I speak to you?
Of course, what's on your mind?
Please shut the door.
Sure, I'll close it right now.
I am afraid to go.
It's okay, I'll go with you.
I'm trying to sleep.
I'll keep it quiet. Rest well.
All the eggs went bad.
That's unfortunate. Did you check the expiration date?
Go and see who it is.
Alright, I'll go check.
I'd like to watch TV.
Go ahead, enjoy your show.